Hello, everybody, and welcome to English 10, the short class, 8 weeks in the fall 24. So this is me, this is Kevin. I'm going to be your instructor. So here is the main menu over here, modules, Townsend Press Learning, which I'll talk to you about in a minute. Your grades, library databases, which we'll use for research essays. Tutoring, if you want to click there, it'll take you to the Study Skills Center, which is in back of the library. It'll give you their hours, and you can do stuff online with that. And then Starfish is if you're not doing well, Starfish, I get an update for that. And then MLA essay format, there's some videos there that you should watch if you're still having trouble with MLA after you go through my MLA module and quizzes, because I do deduct points for improper use of MLA. But anyway, welcome to the course. Next thing you want to do is you can click here or click here to modules, which is I usually do. So this video is going to cover the Getting Started module and the Week 1 module. Notice that they are due at the same time. So I could have put these together, but it would have been a really long module, and I don't want to do that to anybody. So the first thing we're going to look at is connect to the free textbooks. So the textbooks are here. So the composition textbook is here, and our book novel that we're reading is here. And then here's the information for the book. So when you are using MLA, you'll know what to do. You'll know how to cite it in your papers and in your discussion boards. So that is the books. They are free. And then the one thing you will have to buy is a $15 code for Townsend Press over here, but I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so that is that. Let's go back. Come on, computer, let's go. So your textbook and your novel are there. Okay, let's go over the Getting Started module. Oh, one more thing too is I do have a module where you can talk to other students. I don't think the students really use it, but I have to put it there. I think you guys will use Pronto instead. But anyway, I'll show that to you in a later. I'll put it there, but you'll know what it's there for. Okay, so the Getting Started module. Look over all of the information through here, and then by October 20th, you'll have 3 quizzes to submit. And remember, I will not reopen any late quizzes or Townsend Press assignments. If you miss them, you miss them. I don't reopen anything. So you'll have until October 20th. Again, the module will end October 13th, but I do extend it to October 20th just in case someone joins the class late. They have a little more time to complete them. So October 20th, and all the information you need for these quizzes is in here. And I embed all information you need for a quiz. For example, syllabus quiz, if you click on it, it'll tell you it's worth 9, excuse me, 9 points, 12. You get 2 attempts. I take the average if you do both attempts. And if you here, the syllabus is here. Take the quiz. I don't time the quizzes, so if you want to open the quiz and open the syllabus and go back and forth to find your answers. Quizzes to me count 10% of your overall grade, but they're really just a learning, and I think a lot of it will be review for you. So especially when you get into comma splices and run-ons and fragments and stuff like that. So quizzes are really aimed to help you, so I don't time them so you can toggle back and forth. Read the question, look for the answer. Read the question, look for the answer. I don't even care if you do these quizzes together with a friend. They're there to help you. Okay, so you'll take the quiz. Let's go back. So this is the Getting Started module. Look over all this information. It's a lot. And then there are 3 quizzes to take, and they're due by October 20th. Nothing can be late. All right. Now I'm going to make another video because I don't want them to be too long, and this will be for the week 1 module. Make sure you watch that as well. Okay, everybody, welcome to the course. Again, this is the Getting Started module. The Getting Started module and the week 1 module are due at the same time. They are basically the same module, but I broke it apart because I didn't want it to be so long. There's a lot of background information that I have to give you. All right. Okay, everybody, welcome to the course. Take care.